Today, I'm going to show you how to add a proxy person on through your Warrior Web account. A proxy person is someone who we can give your information to. It's someone that you set and you put in through your Warrior Web. Through FERPA, the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, we're not able to actually give your information out to anyone unless you've stated that they can have your information. So this is why you'll want a proxy person. We'll go over to this bar on our left side when you're at your homepage for Warrior Web. You'll go down to user options, this person here. Through user options, you'll see a few different things. We're going to go to view and add proxy access. There will be a few notes. The main important one is that it must be a person and you can't enter a business or an organization as a proxy. When you go down, you'll select add another user. You'll put in their contact information and note if it has an asterisk, it is a required field. Then you'll go down and this is where we'll see what access they have been given. So if you want to give them access to everything, your finances, your grades, your financial aid, taxes, you can do allow complete access. But if you don't want to give them all of your access, you can do allow select access. If let's just say you only want your spouse to be able to make a payment on your account, you can deselect everything except make a payment. They don't even have to see your account activity. They only have access to be able to give us card info, not even to see what you paid on. Let's just say you only want them to have your tax info for tax season, or maybe you want your parents to have your grades. That way, if your insurance does a grade like boosts for grades, things like that. So you can pick and choose what you want them to have. Once you're done with that, you'll select what you want them to be able to see. You'll read the disclosure and authorize if you've read the disclosure, and then you'll submit. And that will add a proxy person onto your account. If you have any questions about person proxies or you need help getting that in, you can always contact our Coeur d'Alene office at 208-292-1378.